Did we not talk about this last week? It only takes one stock to report earnings and literally just ruin the entire momentum. And this happened actually last week, I believe on Thursday after market hours, after Netflix reported, or I'm sorry, not Netflix, Snapchat reported earnings, and it dropped 39% the following day. It is insane. So if you're asking the question, why did the market begin to drop after market hours? Check this out. Let me just share my screen with you. So it was actually something Walmart said had really poor guidance for the up and coming future. Walmart dropped 9.94%. Imagine losing 1/10 of your account in just, or I guess of your position or your valuation in literally just a couple of minutes, right? So now we're trading at 118 a share. That would put us all the way down here, right back to previous support levels. And again, the market during normal trading hours hasn't even reacted to that just yet. What other companies reported earnings? Well, again, one of the things that you must understand is that this is one of the biggest earning weeks for the entire market. When it comes down to today, again, one of my favorite features here on the Webull platform is that I can click on the date, I can double click on the watch list, and it actually generates the entire watch list for me. But you can see that there's a number of stocks that reported earnings, especially on the aftermarket hours, and dropped pretty significantly. It was really just the guidance that Walmart shared today that actually caused the market to drop a little bit further than I think people actually anticipated. Tomorrow, one of the biggest companies that's going to be reporting earnings is Microsoft. Let me go ahead and make sure that I have the right date for you guys. So we're going to go on the 26th. We have Microsoft, and you'll normally see that the bigger tech stocks report earnings after market closes. So that means that after the entire day tomorrow is over, then after the market closes, then it reports earnings. It's normally the smaller companies that tend to report earnings before market open. And then we have Meta that reports earnings on Wednesday. I reduced my position size today, shorting the market. I had nearly $1 million in SQQQ for a short period of time. It just wasn't going according to plan. I made $17,000 on the day, made over $35,000 on Friday. It's been fun shorting it. And one of the things that I want to point out is if you look at this on the day chart, TQQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF, is actually pulling back, testing the EMA support. If we break below that, especially with the Federal Reserve going to be raising interest rates this Wednesday, we have Meta reporting earnings this Wednesday. We have Apple and Amazon reporting earnings on Thursday. It is the biggest week for this entire month of July. And again, it's all going to happen in the next couple of days. I think that the market's going to drop. Obviously, that's why I took a short position, meaning that if the market drops, then SQQQ goes up for every, or goes up 3% for every 1% that the NASDAQ market drops. One of the things that I want to remind you is just because I choose to take a position never means that you should follow in those same footsteps. I love sharing my ideas with you and explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing. I will never overwhelm you with my opinion and why I think that you should do the same. I still have my long-term positions on Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, even knowing that the market could potentially drop. I'm just choosing to short the market to kind of hedge those positions as the market most likely will pull on back. So again, I'm super excited to follow up to see how the market actually ends up reacting. And I think, again, if you have any specific questions that you would like to ask me, if this is the first time you've ever experienced earnings season, this happens every single quarter of the year. So if you want to ask me any specific questions as an absolute beginner because you can't find the answer on Google, I hope that you know that you can direct message me via Discord at any time. And yes, it is for free. You literally just have to send me a message, and that's that first link in the description. So I'm pumped. I'm excited to see how the market reacts tomorrow. I hope that if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, set your alarms for market open. I think we're going to have about an hour-long live session tomorrow, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. So I hope to see some of you guys there. If you're not part of my Learn Plan Profit group, or if you've never actually seen what it's like to watch me trade live, I encourage you to take 2 minutes, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group and what's included for our Learn Plan Profit 2.0. If you have any specific questions, like I said, that you want to ask me, then feel free to, again, just click that first link down below. And friendly reminder, we are still running the staycation giveaway. We're going to be selecting 3 winners, so make sure you head on over to shoptechbeds.com or the 4th link in the description of this video. Select your favorite items, and for every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. In just 2 weeks, this giveaway will end, and then we're going to be announcing the winners and flying you guys all out, expenses paid by myself myself and having you guys hang out with me and the team here at the Tech Buds HQ. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I just wanted to keep today's video short and sweet. And again, I'll see you at Market Open for our live session. So make sure that you set your alarms. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.